Привет! Today's story is about the capital of Russia, Moscow. After slowly reading the text, I will explain some grammar. And as always, make sure to download your own copy of the story from the link in the description box. Давайте, поехали! Москва – столица России. В далекие времена это был просто ряд сел, принадлежащих боярину Кучке. В 1156 году Юрий Долгорукий обнес это поселение крепкой деревянной стеной, окружил рвом и прозвал его Москва-град. Удобное географическое положение Москвы, лежащей на пересечении торговых путей, способствовало ее дальнейшему росту. В 1328 году князь Иван Калита сделал Москву столицей. В наши дни Москва – это город мирового значения со своими уникальными многовековыми традициями и неповторимой культурой. Хорошо. And now a little bit of grammar. The first two nouns, России and сел, based on the preposition of, will be genitive case. The other two nouns, боярину Кучке, will be dative case. And I apologize that I forgot to circle preposition to, which is located above the verb here in this sentence. Preposition to can also mean prepositional case, but the meaning of the sentence will be about location. And real quick, I will just point out that the verb принадлежащих goes together with the noun сел, plural noun. And here in the second sentence, we see the preposition in, which points to prepositional case. And since we were talking about location, году, year, it's kind of a location in history. And I don't know what it is I was thinking, but here again, I forgot to circle the preposition with, which you can see in the parenthesis, which points to the instrumental case of our next noun, стеной. And notice here how all of the endings of both the noun and the two adjectives that come before it, all of the endings match perfectly. Oi, oi, and oi. Moving on to the second page of the text, and I won't spend much time here. It's all kind of self-explanatory. There are all the prepositions and all the nouns that go with it. And the verb лежащий goes together with the noun Москвы. Next, I underlined the noun столицей. And here, instrumental case gives us a sense that with this noun, the action сделал is complete. Circled in blue, preposition of precedes the noun on the next page. Here it is. and it shows us that the case is genitive. After that, more nouns in instrumental case. And again, I underlined here how perfectly all of the endings match. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Пока-пока.